Understanding ADT motion sensor batteries.
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today we'll be answering a common question. What type of battery does the ADT motion sensor use? Understanding the right type of battery to use can make all the difference in ensuring your home security system functions correctly.
What is an ADT motion sensor?
Before we delve into the type of battery used, let's briefly discuss what an ADT motion sensor is. It's an essential component of ADT home security systems, and it detects movement in your home when the system is armed. If motion is detected, the sensor sends a signal to your security system's control panel, which then triggers an alarm.
What type of battery does the ADT motion sensor use?
Now, onto the main question. Most ADT motion sensors use lithium batteries, with the common type being the County Route 123A 3V lithium battery. These batteries are renowned for their long life and reliability, making them an excellent choice for home security systems. Please note that the exact type may vary depending on the specific model of your ADT motion sensor, so it's crucial to refer to your device's user manual or contact ADT customer service for accurate information.
How often should I replace the battery?
Another vital aspect to consider is the battery life. Lithium batteries used in ADT motion sensors generally last between 3 to 5 years, but this can vary depending on usage. The sensor will typically alert you when the battery is low, giving you time to replace it before it runs out. Remember, regular battery replacement is crucial to ensure that your home security system is always operational and protecting your home. In conclusion, the ADT motion sensor typically uses a County Route 123A 3V lithium battery. Remember, maintaining your home security system's functionality is important, and regular battery checks and replacements form part of this process. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you now have a better understanding of the type of battery your ADT motion sensor uses. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.